Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to delete multiple messages at same time in WhatsApp chat. So we are going to select multiple messages at same time and then we are going to delete it. So you can select, now tap on it. Now you see this message selected. Now you can select messages like this. Now you see we select 5 messages and then you see delete option. So click on it. Now you see delete 5 messages. So you can delete it according to command. So delete for everyone. Now you see message is deleted and then you see you deleted this message. So we are going to delete this also. Now select again like this. Again you see delete icon. So click on it. Delete 5 messages. Delete for me. Now you see 5 messages deleted for me. So in this way you can delete multiple messages in WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.